This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis. Here we are Thursday, the big dance, CPI Catalyst at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. So let's do the affirmation. I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. And you've got 3 charts: E-mini Nasdaq, ES Mini, and King Dollar. So everything seems the way it should be, which is dollar going down, equity indices going up, and we're very close to levels where we were at the end of the year highs 2023. So let's go to the levels, smaller time frame, and we're going to focus on the ES S&P 500. Next chart. I wanted to annotate the dailies on all 3 charts because I usually show the naked chart without any levels, but the focus here is this red line on each chart. This is the first of the year RTH open levels, and I just want to note where we're at. King Dollar, far right. You can see we are above it. ES Mini, same thing. Nasdaq, same thing. So I would say that if the dollar can go above this prior day's open, 102.54, we'll see how the CPI reaction is in the RTH. But that would probably have us on the levels. I'm looking at the new week open gap on the ES Mini. So that's the new week open gap where we opened the new year, 48.18, 48.12, prices above that. Below that, we've got the PM low at 48.06, and below that, we have the RTH open, 47.95.25. So that's it in a nutshell. I doubt we get down to the RTH open today unless it's just the number reaction is incredible bad. But again, that's a 47.83.50 on the ES. So let's look at New York midnight and London and see where we're at on the smaller time frame. What we've got is the 15-minute. So I'm just going to enlarge this. New York midnight open way up here at 48.28. And then below it, we have those new week open gaps, and we have already cleared a daily volume imbalance. And up here is the London open, 48.31. And where is the high from December? It's up here, 48.41.50, okay? And you can see how when we had a Judas swing up on the London silver bullet, and then we've gone down. And again, that is this New York midnight open, and it's corresponding real close to the prior day's PM high. So let's call it 48.28.50. So that's where we're at right now. The low so far since London is 48.22.75. So I've got no basic predictions. I never do, but I'm just anticipating here that we are going to reach a high for the week at some point here and then possibly reverse. I just don't know if that's a Thursday or a Friday. I'm thinking maybe we go down. As like I said, this new week open gap is a targeted zone, and then below that we have a prior fair value 4-hour market gap, and then we've got some fibs here. I'm looking at 48.07 and 48.03, and that is again very close to correlating with the PM low prior day, 48.06. Okay, so that's the levels. Short video. It's all about the CPI and being smart and watching the reaction first before pressing any buttons. Aloha and take care. Shout out to the subscribers, OGs, and welcome the 2024 new subscribers. Aloha.